Big news going around that Tata Sun has to list their entity in stock market. Now, actually, Tata Sun is been considered as an upper layer NBFC by RBI, and RBI almost 2 years back, 3 years back, they've given a rule that no, every upper layer NBFC to list by September 2025. It's been 1 year from here, but no, the talk is going on, the rumors are going on that RBI is saying that Tata Sun actually applied that they don't want to list their entity because Tata Sun, it's like a holding entity of all the Tata Group companies. It's a big company and they do all these charities, philanthropy, and so many things they are doing, and their vision is completely different. And they don't want to get listed because if you get listed, profit comes into picture, and that is what they want to avoid. And for that, they already paid 20,000 odd crore debt also, which was required to in order to avoid this listing by September 2025. But now today there is a going on talk. Now it's been not been clarified by the RBI, but basically Tata Sun has to get listed. And guys, Tata Sun is a big company, okay? Almost you can say it will take 6 months now to get that paper clear again. There are more than 400 type subsidiaries and so many things are there. At the end of the day, it's a big company, and they actually Tata Sun don't want to all these no be like Tata Group and all that, they don't want to get listed. Only one company, they no Sharpaji Polanji, that SP Group, Cyrus Mistry Group, that no, they actually he was been taken away from the chairmanship by Ratan Tata almost 3 years back. They are holding 18.4% share in this group, okay, and they want this company to be listed, Tata Sun, because if they get listed, their debt will get been revised, and they will have a big relief. I think one of the best thing to happen for SP Group if Tata Group get listed, because then they can sell their stake also. Otherwise it's very difficult to sell this type of big stake. Tata Sun itself will be valuing more than 12 lakh crore rupees, okay, 11 to 12 lakh crore rupees. That I am talking about 6 months back. अभी तो थोड़ा ज्यादा होगा तो मुझे पता नहीं है. Of course, that will be having an holding company discount of 30 to 60%. Then also it will be 8 lakh crore rupees. So overall, the group is big. Okay, even the IPO, if it comes, no, it will be at least 55,000 to 60,000 crore rupees. Now, last Hyundai IPO was around 28,000 crore, 28,000 crore rupees. So it may be a biggest IPO. Again, I am not saying this is the fact, guys. This is just talk going on, but you cannot avoid this talk because Tata Sun has to do anything. They have to talk with RBI, and they are going to talk with RBI. They'll file a case or whatever it is, but they will try to avoid this IPO. And RBI has their own rules. In past, also there are many companies who have taken RBI in the court, talking about no something if they are not agreeing and they are opposing that. So let's see, Tata Sun is going to oppose that, and what is the final hearing of RBI. But if Tata, now let us talk about which are the companies, if Tata Sun is getting listed, which are the companies will be benefited. Where there are the biggest beneficiary companies will be Tata Chemical, Tata Motors, Tata Power. These will be the three companies, and I think it is Tata. Yeah, 1 minute. Tata Indian Hotels. Yes. So these are the four companies will be benefit because Tata Motors and Tata Chemical holding 3% stake in Tata Sun. So if Tata Sun gets listed, automatically their valuation go up. Okay. Even Tata Power owns 2%, Indian Hotels own 1%. Now, this will not be a big uptick for Tata Motors or Tata Power or Indian Motor because their market capitalization is on a higher side, maybe 16 to 21% uptick from here. But for Tata Chemical, it's a big thing. It's almost 20,000 crore rupees of valuation. Overall, it will come, and currently it is around 28,000 crore rupees of Tata Chemical valuation. Almost you can say no, 75 to 80% uptick will come if this get listed. Again, just talk going. I'm not saying buy Tata Chemicals. Tata Chemical itself, the result came was not at all good. No good, but it was okay result. Okay, but it is not recovering. And again, whatever has happened in last 1 year, and last March also there was an uptick of more than 20-30% because there was a news that Tata Sun is going to get listed. Okay, so Tata Chemical will be the biggest beneficiary. We have to see. Today is Saturday. By Sunday, if some news comes, otherwise Monday you may see a good uptick on Tata Chemical based on only just based on this news, because again this news has come, or actually the stock has already gone up. But you have to keep this in mind, know that overall the valuation plays a big role. Again, another problem with Tata Sons is that no, they really don't want to get listed here in the browsers. The reason is there again, the investor comes into picture. Again, no, they don't want to sell that stake at the end of that. They don't want to sell. Of course, SP Group may sell, Sarpaji Palanji Group may sell, because they already have a lot of debt. So they, it may be repaid. Now, if this rumors is there, you may see a Monday company's price, means company stock, SP Group companies may do well, because if this getting listed, they'll be benefited. So it's like that way. Again, IPO valuation depends on lot many things. It is just a talk going on, but the market valuation of Tata Sun listed investment is around more than 16 lakh crore plus. Okay, and even the market value of unlisted is almost 1 to 2 lakh crore. So overall, if you see, if this is going to be true, it's this thing is going to happen. I think this company which I mentioned, or maybe in a beneficial part. I don't know what is going to happen on Sunday. Is there any news? But yes, keep this in radar, guys. At least Tata Group companies, because Tata Group's companies, whoever is, at least Tata's Chemicals, Tata Motors, then Tata Power and Indian Hotel, I told they have a stake, may have a no better no prospect in future if this gets happen. Again, if the your holding company get listed, visibility also goes very good. But no, that is, but that is against the no main funda and main, what you can say, no, Tata Sun is saying no, they want to do more of charity, uske khilaf ja raha hai, and that is a complete. And what I come to know is that Tata will do everything to stop this IPO get listed. Okay, Tata Sun listed, and there is very less hope that is going to is hope that ये होने वाला है. But let's see what is going to happen. So just to inform you, I have just spoken to you what is happening and which other stocks will be benefited. So thank you everyone, guys. If you like this video, do like and share it to everyone. If you have anything question, anything related to stock sector, put it in the comment box. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.